So this automation will extract keywords, insights, and analysis from any field they're interested in, and it will rank them according to trending signals, and maybe if you're able to create content from it even. So this automation is very simple, short, and let's get into it. This is how simple the automation is. You're basically watching for RSS streams, keyword extraction analysis, parsing the JSON, and basically recording the entry. And basically, this is the most important part of this, watching for RSS items. RSS is basically a way um, where you can like easily digest information from news websites, articles, all of that. And it can be literally anything that you're interested in. It can be air automation, cars, chairs, laptops. It can even be um, content creation even. So I've gathered RSS links here related to AI automation. Like I just did it like very fast. I just went online and searched RSS feeds related to um trending. Let's go trending news or whatever. I don't know. Literally anything. So most popular RSS feeds. Yeah, let's go most popular RSS feeds. Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan at all. Alright, but you get the point. Just look for RSS feeds and watch for new RSS items. You literally enter the URL here, and the number of return items is basically how many items can like the how many times do you want the URL to return or this module to return. So if you go to, let's see, let's click on this RSS feed. This is an XML. So you click on it and you just like look at just have a look at it and see if it's like a proper RSS feed. It looks all right. It doesn't look too. And let's go to this one also. Like you have to make sure like it's actually a valid RSS feed. So just looking at it, yeah. So I've already ensured that these ones here are already good to go. And basically just enter the URL here, as simple as that. And once you have that, you have a large language model here that does the extraction analysis and extracts keywords from the RSS feed that you are populating into the watching RSS streams. So basically, you're just trying to make sure like the system extracts enough information that you are able to like feed into your table or maybe your content analysis or whatever. It can be literally anything, honestly. So I basically said you're training keyword extraction specialist for content creators. Analyze RSS feed, extract keywords, topics, and signals. You must only respond in JSON, and I gave it a valid structured JSON. And then the user, and I gave it like this is what the large language model is going to reply to. So title and description, and the, the description comes from the RSS feeds where like you have a description of what the feed looks like. And basically I'm just telling it to extract as much information as possible and return only JSON. As simple as that. The thing is I wanted to use SEMrush. SEMrush. This is a search engine marketing company. Like I wanted to use it to do this automation, but if you look at the pricing, this thing costs $1 million, man. Look at this pricing. You can try for free, but maybe I could have tried it for free, but look how expensive it is. So I could have used that for keyword extraction analysis right here. Let me just go to SEMrush for you. SEMrush. Maybe after the keyword extraction, then the next module can be SEMrush, which will go to keyword reports and get keyword overview or get keyword overview for all the databases. So you can actually like make this thing fit what your needs are. You can get creative with it. But the next module I did was basically parse the JSON, which is important because the result of the large language model OpenAI here is going to be a JSON string. And I'm basically feeding that into a a, JSON parser where so that you can access the output of the JSON in your module in your scenario right here. And then a new record entry in Airtable. So I already did one like yesterday or today even. And this is what the table looks like. Keyword or topics, trending topics, date found, urgency score, content tagles, hashtags, viral potential, monetization potential, and seasonality. Seasonality is either, let's go to keyword analysis right here. So what I basically told the AI model to do is, like, as you can see right here, trending keywords, extract 3 to 8 specific keywords that are trending or have viral potential. Trending topics, hashtags, 3 to 6 relevant hashtags, content angles, urgency score, rate how time sensitive this is, act now or evergreen, viral potential, the likelihood of it going viral. We all want to go viral, honestly. That's seeking validation one way or the other. Competition level, how saturated is this topic? Seasonality. Did I add competition level here? Yeah, it's not here. I didn't add competition level, but you get the point. It's basically like making sure you extract as much information as you can. And the thing I don't like about this automation that I did is I don't have a way to compare it to real life data, which is what, like, using like platforms like SEMrush or even exploding topics. Exploding topics. Like, I was trying to find a way to like actually use this in my automation, but I could not because some of this is expensive, really, really expensive. And this, I even looked for Ahrefs or something like that. Google Trends is free, but they don't have an API. So again, it's just like limitations of this particular automation. And basically, I just entering a new record entry into your Airtable, which has, let's go right here. So you're looking for the base content interest signals, the table in your Airtable, and the record you want to enter. So yeah, and these records are from the JSON output. I've already run it once, so you see like a little bit of information there. And yeah, that should be it. Honestly, I'm going to run it because I'm using like gradientflow.com/feed, which is from here, gradientflow.com/feed. And this is an RSS feed, valid. Let's check this one, if it's a valid RSS also. But it should be because I already checked it. Let's see, is this RSS? Yep, looks like it. Yeah, yeah. But if you want to like make sure like this thing runs accurately, just run this module only. Let's test this on a real life RSS feed I just got. Let's go to RSS feed, crime junkie, right? Um, is this okay? Let's test it. Let's test it. Control C. We're copying the link, and then let's test this on the. Yep. Let's like run this module only, and then. Oh, I did not save it. I did not save it. Sorry. And the save. Let's just go all RSS feeds, and then run this module only. Let's see. ID. Yeah, that doesn't look to return a valid. What's this? Oh no, it does. Oh, it does actually, it does. But this is HTML, no? Yeah, it looks like it returns HTML. Well, let's try to run it and let's see what our record entry is going to be. As you can see, we only have one entry right here. We're going to run it once. Yeah, this takes a little bit of time, but not really. It's gonna be fast. Yep. New record entry. What do we have here? Look at that. That's our new entry. True crime. Let's look at the. How do you? Yeah, expand. Look at this true crime podcast on solved mysteries, criminal justice, and look at the dates. Urgency score is 7. Deep dive into the case details. Again, it can be literally anything that you're interested in. Viral potential is 8 because this is like very niche content. And seasonality is evergreen because people are always interested in crime stuff. So that is for crime. You can let's look for something else. Oh no, I close the. Let's look for something else. Crime Junkie, The Daily, Color Daddy. Let's look for something interesting like, I don't know. Let's look for something interesting like, this is, where's the RSS feeds? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I think this is RSS. Okay. So what am I doing? So we're just basically gonna copy this. I don't know what this is about honestly, but we'll find out. So you get the point. You can literally anything you're interested in laptops. There's RSS feeds for that. Control A, Control V, and save. We're gonna do all RSS items, but it's gonna return like I think the latest one. You know what? Let's choose where to start. Choose where to start. We're gonna return feeds from after a specific date. Let's say this month after this month, so that it return like recent RSS items that are recent. And yeah, okay. There's an output JSON, and yeah, let's see what. Okay, stock trends and all of that. Okay, interesting. As you can see, you don't have to do anything. You just have to make sure like the RSS feed you're feeding it is valid and it returns like particular um description. It returns like a description because as you can see here, it has a description, it has a summary, it has a URL. Like there's some specific RSS feed that don't return like all of this information. So yeah, you just have to like check it, run it once, run this module only, and look at the output if it's a valid one. But the whole the whole idea remains the same, which is just to extract information, keyword extraction analysis. The thing is, this is always going to be there, like extracting information. You can like I used to do the cheap version of this, which is using Grok, which is basically free. You can use Grok to like create a chat completion. Like they have a free version which you can use for large language models, and they have like different models. You can use Meta, you can use DeepSeek, you can use Quen, you can use many large language models to do extraction analysis for free, literally for free. And I'm telling you, and yeah, just do create chat completion, and it's mostly the same thing. All you have to do is like the information in the system that I'm giving to the model right here, which is the messages, like the system message and the role right here. The information I'm giving here is going to be the same they're going to give to the Grok. And again, making sure your RSS feed returns valid information. And the only limitations I know of this is I'm not like using actual like real life data to compare this thing, like SEMrush, Ahrefs, keyword tools. The thing is like they're all expensive. And look at this. Look at the prices here. 49, $140, 29. 29 is not bad, honestly. I didn't even check this. Yeah, I didn't check this, man. Pricing. I didn't check the price. I just know that I know that these things are expensive for me right now. Look at this. I think I checked it on my phone. I checked it on my phone because I saw $29 here. I'm like, that can be real. Because I checked most of all the like SEO tools. They're very expensive. That's the only thing that I would add to this. If you have the money to do it, do it. Compare keywords and let's do. Yeah, but it's not in make.com, but SEMrush. And what you can do is add a module and do a keyword report for like keywords that you extracted from the what you call it? You extracted from the RSS feed, which is, and as you can see here, you can even send an email to yourself that we have a new like entry into our. Yeah, so that's it honestly. Get creative, expand on this. You can do anything with it honestly. If you're interested in Twitch streaming, let's go to Twitch streaming. This is mostly me testing out my automation instead of just showing you RSS feeds related to Twitch. I already searched this before. So let's go TechCrunch RSS feed. Control C, copy the link right here. Control A, Control V, save from particular date. Let's go 1st of this month. And the thing is, we're going to run this module only. Let's see what the output is. Okay, let's go all RSS feed items because it don't return any new data. Okay, but this was from what date? What date is it? This was 2023, so it's not recent, but as you can see, like it's good to test out your RSS feeds if they're current or if they're even. Wow, this was written in 2025, but wow. Anyways, let's go to this. That's a fake RSS script or RSS feed. Uh-oh. Okay, okay. I think this one is okay. I'm not really sure. Let's go. Let's just do this. Oh my God, what's happening to my screen? What's happening to my screen, man? That's crazy. Control C. So let's run this first. Remember, we're still using like the TechCrunch. Let's see what's this output. If it's a valid, like it's gonna be valid, but it's like I think it's old information that we are not. The rest of YouTube, yeah, this is like old stuff. This is old stuff. The rise of VTubers. Yeah, as you can see, test your RSS feeds, man. Save RSS from particular dates, recent. Let's just do run this module only. Oh, come on, man. All RSS feed items. Let's just run it and see what the output is. TwitchCon, LGBTQ plus TwitchCon 2024. Yeah, again, old. But yeah, this is everything I can. This is like the old automation. You can get creative with it. You can be able to do different things like parsing news information from like blogs and all of that. It's it's honestly as the limitations is only what you can think about, honestly. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know which other comments, which other like automations that I can do and that you'd like to see. Peace out.